Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
Would you like a brand new quote to help kickstart your day? The Learn, Develop, Live podcast brings you your 1 minute motivation, and here is that quote. Isn't it funny how day by day nothing changes? But when you look back, everything is different. Even if you don't even realise it, you are changing. And for the better, I'd say. Your attitude and mindset, they start to direct you in the right direction. The way you want to go. Your plan, dream, whatever you're chasing right now, it starts to form and starts to take shape right in front of your eyes. The crazy thing is, with you doing your thing day to day, when you do look back, you can see just how far you've come and how much you've created and how this is worthwhile to you. That's something special to you, and you did that by yourself.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.